In a globalized economy, customers dictate the speed of business, creating new logistics challenges and opportunities every day. The perfect gateway for servicing your European customers in the fastest and most cost-efficient manner is Limburg. Limburg has a unique geolocation in the east of Belgium, which is bordering with Germany, France, and the Netherlands. Limburg lies in the catchment area of the two biggest seaports, Antwerp and Rotterdam. The inland flows of goods are supported by the world's most dense road, rail, and inland waterway networks, which are equipped with state-of-the-art rail and barge terminals, allowing an efficient and congestion-free on-carriage to the EDCs in our region. We are offering innovative supply chain concepts, providing you with a competitive advantage. Fast, easy, and reliable access to the main European consumer markets. Available industrial real estate at low cost. Favorable tax conditions and government incentives. The availability of skilled personnel trained by experts in schools, universities, and fully equipped logistics training centers. Cutting-edge ICT systems, world-class technology, hardware, and equipment. Dedicated logistics business parks with specialist services and customized warehousing solutions. Belgium is the third soccer nation in the world and also occupies the third place in the World Bank's Logistics Performance Index. Limburg is already a top-notch European logistics hotspot and is reinforcing this position every day. Our supply chain community is constantly growing because logistics is part of our DNA.
Logistics is all about speed, and in our collaboration with the government but also with our union stakeholders, we see that this speed comes true. We work here with more than 4,000 employees, and I'm happy to say that we still can find the right talent to deliver that dream.
We, Stanley Black & Decker, decided in 2011 to consolidate 5 distribution centers into one new European DC in Limburg. The main reason is the perfect location with good connections and good accessibility to reach our European customers.
The success of our port is directly related to the excellent connections with our hinterland. The dynamic region of Limburg is the ideal location for setting up European distribution center because of its proximity to the main European consumer markets.
As the governor of the province of Limburg, I would like to summarize a few things. We have the space, we have the infrastructure, we have the people, and we have the expertise. Are you ready to play in the Logistics Champions League? Well, come to Limburg and join our winning team.